Welcome to another edition of IMO Sports with Pedro Justice. Did you just see what Deontay, the Bronze Bomber, just did to Luis Ortiz? He knocked him out. King Kong ain't got nothing on Deontay Wilder. Tonight's fight solidified Deontay Wilder as the #1 heavyweight in the world. The whole world was watching. All of the pressure was on Deontay Wilder, and he faced the most dangerous man in the division, someone that AJ has ducked and avoided. Even Eddie Hearn admitted high risk, low reward. Klitschko, Fury, the times they had opportunities to fight this guy years ago, no one wanted to fight the boogeyman. But Deontay Wilder said, I'm not afraid of the boogeyman. And he came into the fight, and it was very technical and tactical in the beginning. But as the fight went on in the 5th round, Deontay Wilder dropped Ortiz. And everyone got excited, and we thought that it could be over. But Ortiz said, no way, I'm too fundamentally sound to let that happen. And then he came back and almost had Deontay Wilder out to the canvas in the 7th, but Deontay Wilder survived. And then in the 10th round, Deontay Wilder said, it's time to let these asteroids make impact with Ortiz's face. And Deontay unleashed a barrage of punches, and Ortiz went down. And he still wanted more. He made the count, and then Deontay Wilder finished him off in exclamation point with the uppercut. Congratulations to Deontay Wilder. Let me know what you think. Until next time, it's Pedro Justice.